Please subscribe and ring the bell so you'll get a notification of all of our new videos.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Kitchen Dad's Keto. We are today going to talk about my favorite little snack that you can get at Trader Joe's. Now, this just happens to be Olive's specific package for a snack. You still can get these Olive other places if you don't have a Trader Joe's, but I love this because if you're traveling or you have to go to the office or you just want to have something available for you when you're out or away, this is a great little snack. This is there's a little bit of olives, Manzanilla olives from Spain. They're amazing. You just see here. There's no oil, not overly oiled. They have a great flavor. Very meaty, a little bit of brine. I love them. I've been at conferences before, I've been in meetings before. I needed something. I didn't want to succumb to whatever, cookies or pizza or anything they had out for snacks. I brought these out. It kept me full. A lot of great fats in it. So if you want to get some in your Trader Joe's, they're great. If not, you can just you can buy these olives in a jar. They might not be pitted, but you can buy them in a jar and put them in a little plastic bag and put them, carry them with you for wherever you travel. So anyway, one of my favorite snacks for low carb, for keto, is just a little bit of these olives.